Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Install and load HTTR or HTTR2 and JSONLite, and place your API key in an environment variable so it is not hard-coded. Once done, construct the base URL and a simple endpoint path. You then make your first GET with proper headers, including authorization. Check the HTTP status and print raw content to verify the response shape. This first live call tells you if authentication and basic networking are correct. Once authentication works, build robust requests. Set headers, add query parameters, and for post/put include a JSON-encoded body. You should also implement pagination by looping on next page tokens or page numbers, and respect rate limits by inspecting headers then using sys. Sleep between retries. After successful responses, parse JSON with JSONLite. From JSON and coerce to a tibble for analysis. Make sure to normalize nested objects and rename columns for consistent downstream use, so your data frame is analysis ready. You finish by wrapping requests and parsing into reusable functions that accept parameters and return tidy data. Once done, secure API keys with sys. Setenv or the keyring package and implement simple caching to reduce calls. Make sure to add informative error handling that retries on transient failures and stops on fatal ones. If something goes wrong, log the HTTP status, response headers, and body for debugging. These three pieces usually reveal authentication, quota, or payload.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.